The science of levitation, when frogs take flight and stir curiosity. In 2000, a groundbreaking experiment captured the world's attention and sparked a frenzy of excitement. Dr. Geim and his team had achieved the seemingly impossible. They made a frog levitate. This remarkable feat, known as the levitating frog experiment, earned them an Ig Nobel Prize, igniting curiosity and inspiring further exploration into the realm of quantum mechanics and magnetism. But what's even more fascinating is the story behind this scientific breakthrough. It all began with a simple yet profound realization. Everything around us is magnetic, albeit to varying degrees. This fundamental concept, often overlooked, is key to understanding how diamagnetism can defy gravity and lift objects off the ground. Diamagnetism, a quantum mechanical phenomenon, occurs in all matter, whether living or inanimate. It's the same force that can repel opposing magnetic fields, and it's this very force that Geim and his team harnessed to make frogs and other small creatures float in midair. The experiment, conducted in 1997, involved placing a frog in the throat of a powerful magnet. To everyone's surprise, the frog defied gravity and took to the skies, floating like a celestial being. The success of this experiment not only earned Geim and his colleagues an Ig Nobel Prize, but also attracted a myriad of requests, including an intriguing offer from a religious leader in England. Despite the initial fascination, the experiment had no negative impact on the frogs or other living subjects involved. Diamagnetic levitation has practical applications in industry. It's a cost-effective way to simulate the conditions of space without the need for expensive space missions. While the idea of levitating frogs may seem whimsical, the underlying science is profound. As the SciShow YouTube video explains, levitating humans is theoretically possible, but the space constraints of current technology make it challenging. However, scientists are continually pushing the boundaries, exploring ways to levitate cells and enhance our understanding of drugs. For those seeking a more immediate thrill, the flying car and hoverboard are intriguing alternatives. While they may not levitate in the same sense as the frogs, they represent the intersection of technology and imagination, inspiring us to dream big and explore the possibilities of the future.